Hello, YouTube people.
Welcome back. All right, everybody, we're back.
What?
Yeah, I just merged the two groups. See, it's going to be seamless in the editing that I'm going to forget to do.
Nice. That's good.
Thank you, Tyler.
Yeah.
Let's get these new chess pieces in. Nice. Oh, so this says left shoulder, right shoulder.
Oh wait, the shoulders are in there too?
Yeah.
Whoops. How did that happen?
I don't know. I'm just trying to make sure I didn't miss something. Okay, so
I might have been saving shit the wrong spot, so hold on.
all right,
Damn.
that's okay. Let's just go check out sprites for arm parts.
What are we missing in?
So in arm parts, we have cosmetics 5 through 9.
Ah. So those cosmetics from the chest need to get moved over to arms.
Yeah.
My bad.
No, I can do that move, though. That's not a big deal.
Yeah, it's not too hard, but still, it's kind of like...
No
Okay.
worries. Alright, so let's go to assets, sprites. Well, yeah, okay, so move these chest pieces into chest parts, these forearm and shoulders into arm parts, and let's recompile these two folders, or these two sprite sheets. So build some arm parts now.
Thanks, dude.
Okay, arm parts, and then chest parts. Okay. Bam. So now we migrate. And I'm gonna have to do a little bit of stuff here. So ID plus that. There is 139 to do. So item ID is this. Oops. Item ID is I this plus I. Comment that out. Just want to push something that'll actually run here.
Did you put the timer back?
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. I put it back on now. Someone else need... Do we have a timestamp somewhere?
No.
It's okay. We'll say that was 2 minutes.
Okay, deal.
Are you gonna use that bottom text like when you're entering like a username to add as a friend? It's just like search this, you type it, and it filters the storage, or?
Yeah, that's already designed for that, so it's really not much. I just have to assign the storage to the search.
Sounds good. Sounds good. What's special? So what makes the shell helmet so special? Isotoner. This shell helmet is special because it's mid. I guess, yeah, it's like a... I won't even answer it for now. I'll think about it. We'll think about it. If you're there, Isotoner, it's special because it's not a metal armor. It's not following the normal tiers. It's kind of like an in-between. So you can get it before you've... It's kind of like before you've wielded the tier above it, you can have this kind of in-between, which is good for new players.
I believe it's just iron stats at level 5, pretty much.
Iron stats at level 5.
So it's nothing like crazy, but if you happen to have it when you're a low level or have it for your low level other adventures, it's better than a copper.
That makes sense. You save it till you buy a new guy, then you give it to him.
Yeah.
Till his combat's high enough.
Yeah, it's just one of many drops from that chest, and there's plans to just release more and more, so you don't know.
139.
Exactly. Peers. Maybe a 5 defense peer, I think. Okay. Current adventure. Get action.
Okay. So first I did a couple changes here. No, we're just going to merge it as one. This is going to be 139 cosmetics stubbed out. Then we're going to push and pull that so that I can go on to the client and pull in the changes. So what does this guy do in items? He does absolutely nothing useful. So we'll just get rid of this. And then he will pull what the server just did here. There we go. So we were on item 911. Now we are on item 1049. Okay. I highly doubt that this is just about to work the first time for these hats, because it never does. But let's see what they look like right now. So the first hats, say item 912.
First hat's kind of lame, and it's honestly probably going to take you a little bit to line up.
It's all good.
It's all good.
Base cosmetic hit.
They should all, these next 5 hats all are the exact same, so they should be all easy enough to line up with each other.
Okay, cool. For 33, it's not a function.
Oh, I might have went overkill with this. I realized it's easier than I thought.
Ooh, well that's good because you're 1 minute over.
Alright. Almost done now. Input menu UI, assign item storage UI.
Why does it seem so confused about this? Weird thing to put in the shell chest. You know, it's just a nice hat. Get some good armor.
Why is it weird to put in the shell chest? It's a shell helmet.
Be weird to put it in the wood chest. Something's actually whack here. This has a...
Back.
Yeah, this is different than it usually is. I'm a little confused why. Because usually I can call this dot item and refer to the other item method. And right now this seems to be referring to the actual module exports.
What's going on?
Usually this refers to, like, I can use this dot blah to talk to the other methods in here, but right now it's erroring as undefined, and this seems to be referring to the
Base cosmetic headpiece, where is that defined?
right here.
Did you do this dot item getter?
This dot item getter.
Yeah, scroll down.
I haven't in the
Hover
past.
over this. What's get?
Get dot item. Like, I can do it that way, but it's weird because I've always been able to do this and it work. Like, that's like this shirt, you know, special shirt is a this shirt, which it's just kind of always worked that way. I'm wondering.
It says it's undefined.
I know.
Is it undefined, or is it just because it's like creating something and the debugger's like, what are you doing? We're half done creating this, stop it. Oh.
No, like it's crashing. Yeah, I'm like putting the break.
Comment that out. Does it crash on other stuff?
Oh. Okay, I know you guys are memeing me here. The shell helmet has something to it. We said so. It has level 20 stats with level 5
stats.
level 10 stats. Sorry, level 10 stats with level 5 requirements. That's what's so cool about it. Isn't that sick? I think it's sick.
Isn't that sick? Maybe.
Who's this? Exorgito. Get out of here. We don't need your services.
Broke the bank.
You broke the bank?
Yeah, my items are gone.
Well, that's exactly not what people want when they search their items.
It's okay, it's just visual.
Oh.
If I relog. Also, search doesn't work.
So it didn't work.
Well, if I do this, and then search shrimp,
Ooh,
it, like,
shirt came up.
everything comes up, not your items.
Nice. Oh, so do you remember you left earlier, but one guy was having issues about the change username? I went through that all and tested it out. So it works. It is working. It's a weird bug though. So if you change usernames as a guest, it'll send you a message saying your name has been changed. But then if you type in the chat, it's your old guest name, but you relog and now it's your new name.
Yeah.
So we need to somehow update that. But yeah,
Yes.
after relog, it worked for the guy and it worked for me. So
Yeah. It's a bit of work to have that update live, so I was like, oh fuck it, they can relog.
yeah. This might be useful to just maybe send a message so that they know,
Yeah.
instead of are confused why they're chatting and still says guest. But yeah, just even a little dialogue that's just like relog to. Yeah.
To relog.
Yeah, relog to relog.
176 plus 96.
So bank search is done. Well, as you can see, it's past 14 minutes, so it has to be done.
Logically.
Yeah.
It's kind of done. It's half done. Let's see if I can make this done here in a moment. I'm just gonna have to rewrite some extra shit, but that's okay. That's fine.
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry. Don't even think about doing anything else nice. Just
Don't make me upset.
Okay, so let's get back to this. I'm gonna see if this is weird that this has changed meaning, but I don't mind calling get item. So I'm gonna just try this and see if it makes the error go away, or if it then just has a different issue. Get item, get item. Bags and tomes are my bank's disaster.
This will not include being able to search by
Type.
item state yet.
Yeah.
So that's pretty. It's pretty up there. Pretty complicated. I realize in order to get this search to work, I have to go through all your items, get all the item names you own, and append them to an array.
Get all the items you own beforehand?
All the item names. Every search.
Sounds like filter.
What?
Yeah, sounds like it. Like, I know what you mean. Like, just thinking how I had to write a filter the other week for something unrelated. But I'm like, oh yeah, you do have to. I did have to in the end just kind of go through everything and get all the names, and it was kind of a bitch every time you try to change what you're filtering for.
Yeah, this is actually not easy to do now.
Yeah, it's gonna be so good. My bank is a pain right now. Yeah. I feel that. Yeah, so I think I fixed this getter at least, but it's a little odd. But it's okay. Is this in type def? I guess this is a type def thing, huh? Don't exactly want to touch it, so we're just going to push the getter.
Yeah, it's true. Once images are on the bags and stuff, but still you've got gems that you can't really search by enchantment type then and stuff, which would be nice to have, but it's too much work. It's too much. Sometimes. We'll get there.
We got this. Don't you worry. What? Is this not running? That's running. That's running. You need a trustee certificate? I think so.
Oh, wait. I can access the bank directly. We are back in the money.
Nice. Alright, so that seemed to be okay. So item. Whew. I mean, I need the new sprite sheet, but got a little toque.
Nice. We got a little hat thingy.
Little hat thingy.
It's yeah, I don't know. It was like the artisan's hat that I could think of in the hats that already run. So just wait till it's on the full body. You gotta put the full set on.
Where's the item sprites?
I don't have the item sheet. It was off by 2, so I resent it to him because it was missing
Yeah, I
the soul
forgot that.
coins and cupcake and the one he added to. So everything was
The soul cupcakes.
soul cupcakes. Okay.
Did you sent me the updated one now?
I did, yeah.
Yeah, I'll get it back to you in a second.
Yes. Oh, here's a shirt.
Sort of?
Sorta. It's okay. This is just like first dry run, you know?
Yeah. Where's the actual chest piece?
I don't know. Let's take a look. What shirt is this? Shirt.
I think that's shirt 5.
Sure. Yes. Cosmetic 5. So that ends up being. So there is no cosmetic chest 5.
Oh,
which is
motherfucker.
Why?
Hold on. Fucking what? Give me a second. I mean, I have it, so I'll send it to you, but that's. How did I not send it to you?
I don't know.
My question.
It's okay. It's aight. Yeah, I think it's aight. Actually, this isn't even working the way I wanted it to. 1 second. This is wiggity wiggity whack.
At least I didn't save something else as it. Which is good.
So this does go to the worn layer. Worn shirt. That was it. So, equipment has shirt as 9, pants as 10. Shirt as 9, pants as 10. So, equip to 9 for shirt. Equip to 10 for pants. There we go. Now it should go to the cosmetic layer rather than your equipment layer. Which is better. I was wondering why we had a white undershirt. This is nicer because I think now we just won't have any. Or it didn't save at all. Item 9181 and 181. Oh right, they have no Sprite. There we go. Look at that. Oof. And what pants go with this? This is leg parts. $918. So pants 2 is $923. Ooh. Interesting. The pants are usable but not wearable. Let's go to cosmetic pants.
Nice, no, it doesn't work at all. Fuck yeah.
Perfect.
Fuck yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is supposed to be, so this is 9. This is 10. Oh, result on model.actions. Oops, it's just result actions. Okay. Let's check this out.
Check it out now.
Check it out. Ha, that's funny. Oh, we're not gonna think about that one. So some minor little bug not bug, but a little ripple we're gonna have to deal with. I opened character customization while wearing the old clothing, and character customization got super confused because it's not one of the clothing it's aware of, you know? But this stuff we wouldn't want to be part of we wouldn't want you to be able to select a cosmetic ever in those stores anyway.
Yeah.
So, but that's just something I need to now be wary of is like, if you open the clothing store and you're wearing a cosmetic, I guess we want to preview that cosmetic and not let you change shirts. No, I guess you can buy a new shirt and then it just unequips the cosmetic into your inventory.
Or a wardrobe, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so it is okay, yeah. We just need to make it so that the previewer can support the new IDs.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's easy enough. Oh, these guys are gonna kill me. Just kidding. I'm just gonna juke out these Emperor guards.
Right.
Item 920. No. What am I looking for? Item 923-1. Item 918-1. Still? Really? Oh, there we go. Oh, I just got beaten instantly. Oh, so sad. Fishing Guild. Yeah. Item 923-1. Ooh. Alright. I don't hate it. Well, I do hate it, but I need to... It might be okay.
I do hate it, but it's fine. We'll move on.
I'll settle. No, that's fine.
Let's see. What's off? This is 20... Oh, I don't remember.
No, hold on, I can tell you. Look at it again. That'll be pretty early on. That'll be 6. Right thigh 6.
So there should be a left thigh 6.
No, yeah, there should be a left thigh 6, but no right thigh 6.
Okay. Left shin.
Is it in there?
No.
Oh.
I don't see... I'm a little confused, so I don't see either of them, but I see one of them, so I know I'm just wrong here.
So there should be
this.
cosmetic left thigh 6. I think.
There's
Yeah.
left thigh 11, left thigh 10, and then it goes into left shin 29.
29. Oh, because the legs are later. Is it legs? Yeah. So it would be
Oh, left
heads go to 4,
legs.
chest go to 9, so it would be 11.
11. Oh, so 11 is right. Okay. All right.
Sorry.
So there's a left thigh 11. Is there a right thigh 11? Yeah. Cosmetic.
Is it just named wrong?
It looks like it's named right. Cosmetic. 11. Okay, maybe I'm just being dumb. Let's just see if something's over here. That's a separate issue. Cosmetic left thigh, cosmetic. And maybe it's not even in here. I'm kind of being dumb here. I'm just kind of assuming that that's what's wrong. It could be that this thing's leg pieces does this wrong. Left thigh worn, right thigh worn, right thigh worn.
Yeah.
Left shin, right shin. Oh, there we go. It wasn't you. We're good.
Okay, cool.
Cosmetic, right. Ooh,
Chickadee check it. Nice.
I like that, yeah. So I definitely need to just play around with the placements, because this is just assuming the exact like default placements of the old stuff.
Yeah.
But I think that looks pretty slick for a first little pass. Gonna just tease that in media.
Give him the hat. Where's his hat?
Oh, you're right. Delete it from
He
media.
needs his hat. Oh.
Is this the same one? This is the...
This is the hat. Oh, fuck. I'm so bad at this.
I know.
Hat 1.
Hat 1?
Yeah.
Alright, so hat 1 means item 912. This hat?
Sure. Supposed to cover his head though. Maybe it's wrong. Yeah.
No, it's you're right. It's actually 913. This is the hat.
That's the one.
Yeah.
And I don't think his hair is supposed to be underneath.
You don't want hair underneath?
No.
Alright.
Oh, hair down there.
No hair under there.
Alright, we're just gonna... Oops. Get rid of that. Put this on the client.
Swaggy. Nice. Looking good.
Nice.
Hold on. Walk again? I want to see what it looks like. Oh, it's not too bad actually.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
The joints are okay.
It's pretty good.
Can you swing an axe at a tree or something? Oh, you're fishing. That works. That's fine.
Alright, I'm just gonna take a picture. Let's get some walls in here. It looks better with walls. Those I get out of the way. Nice. Get a little teaser up in there.
That's a little archer craftsman because he's got a little, you know, the arrows, a little arrowhead in his pocket.
I see that. It's pretty nice.
Yeah.
Cool. Are you doing the item sprite sheet?
Yeah.
Right. Cool.
Can you see what Tiger King looks like?
Yeah.
Is that gonna be annoying to do?
It's just kind of hard to find what I want. I feel like I'm doing a double lookup whenever I want to find these things now.
I
Yeah.
can tell you all the numbers.
If you know the IDs, yeah, if you can tell me, that saves me half the work.
Okay.
You know,
Yeah.
cosmetic
So-
ID.
Tiger King.
And this isn't bad for default positioning, like for not even planning it. Just gotta move these shoulders, like the blue out so it covers this arm part. The feet up so it covers his feet. Then that'll be fitting pretty well. Put the hat back on.
Okay, I got you.
You got it? Alright.
Yeah. So for the head is 17.
17. Alright. Nice. Alright.
Not quite centered. That's fine. The chest is 22.
22 is 934.
And nice. And then 27 for his pants.
Alright, 27. This one's not as centered as the first one.
Sick.
Wow.
That's an outfit right there.
Yeah, that's a look. They definitely have some realigning to do on this one.
Yeah.
Shoulders. Even like this, I can tell like this part, this red is part of the shoulder, whereas this part is part of the
Yeah.
jacket, and I can see they're off. Yeah, but that's pretty cool. Nice.
Looking good.
Oh yeah.
Snazzy boy.
Like I know we're memeing, but I mean the Carol Baskin cameo with the Tiger King release, Tiger, you know. I think it'd be a good combo.
It'll work. Nice. Alright, let me get this item spreadsheet too.
No worries.
You didn't send it to me. What did you send?
I think I sent it to you directly.
Negative goes ahead.
No? At about a what? 12:53 today?
Oh. You sent it to me a while ago?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice. So it'll be cool. I just want to be able to see the items when I mouse, you know.
I get you.
Make sure they're all. I'm really worried that I'm like off by one in in something, you know. Like I just don't want all the sprites to be like.
Yep.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so excited. But yeah, some of these have to now be rearranged a little bit. So, how about we make a type of cosmetic hat here Instead of, yeah, so there's cosmetic hat. Bang. And then and is this the kind of hat that you imagine would also hide the hair?
Most likely, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, we have the power to... You can pretty much ask for any piece of clothing to hide any other piece, including body parts.
Okay.
But they don't have to hide it, so that's kind of like case by case. We have that power.
Sweet.
So, yeah. So let me know if there's some hats that you want not to be like that.
Right. Yeah. I'm sure there will be, but so far I think we're okay.
Okay. You're celebrating.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Can't be raising your hands like that. It's dangerous.
I was gonna say you're celebrating, but I haven't seen it work. You know, you gotta.
No, it doesn't matter. You celebrate first.
That's true. Celebrate when you're ready to test if it works.
Yeah.
You know what that means?
So we can be let down consistently.
Oops.
Oops.
Where's the $5 donation?
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Oh, look at that.
You searched.
Oh, look at that. Okay, it just needs to refresh after.
You're close. I can feel it.
I can taste it.
Nice.
It's just the items won't go back.
Sprite sheet after sprite sheet after sprite sheet. Yeah. Cool. So, what do you call those kind of hats? With the animal hats? I guess I'll just call it an animal hat.
hats? Yeah. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what you call that. Trapper hat?
I just need a name for all the hats like that.
Okay.
But no, it doesn't matter. Like, it's so non-important. I could just call it Zed. It's just for
Squishy
my
boys.
Squishy Boys.
No, don't call them that. They're not squishy boys. They're strong. They're strong boys.
Yeah. So these are. What's it called? I don't want to say animal. I mean, it could be animal hat. It's just I need something to denote the style where it's like off center like this. An animal hat makes it sound like the frog hat should be included, but the frog hat won't be included because it doesn't need this extra work. Can we call this animal with tail?
It doesn't require that extra work? Well, I mean, a frog hat should cover your hair as well.
It will. I just mean the frog hat is centered, right? Because that's more what I'm getting at is like I now need something that wraps the logic of like recentering now.
For the centering is the problem.
Yeah. It's like the ones that I. Yeah.
Right,
So
I get you now.
this is gonna be a cosmetic hat animal with tail. That's such a bad name, but I can always make it better later. What I want is to say result.model.head. What do I want? Result.model.head worn. Head worn. So I can just say, yeah. Head.anchor is. So the anchor is a little different on these guys. So the center is here and here. I don't know if that's the center, but yeah. So 9 out of 30. So 0.3. So this give us an anchor of x is 0.3, y is. I'll keep the same anchor for now. So then these hats become the special animal hats. I did this a little early, I think. No, this is right. 15 through 19. Yeah. Wow, it finally detected my external drive.
Nice. Back in business.
Yeah. Repair this drive. Please repair it.
That's it. Right there.
It's getting there, isn't it? It sure feels like it. Okay, so a little bit more to the right. And is that right? Wrong here. 0.85. Oh. There we go. That's pretty nifty. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to try to move the shoulder up a bit because I can see some of these issues. So that's better. Wasn't bad. And then it looks like the forearm needs to come up a little bit. Oh yeah. So legs are kind of the same thing. This pant kind of shows it a little better, but we could use the thighs being a tiny bit more apart.
Okay, and is our items are over on Discord too?
Alright, thank you.
They have been in your Discord thing.
Nice.
And it's kind of good you sent me them because I guess we didn't have the updated items in there because I had like changed all of them.
Oh, okay.
These were still all black outlines. So.
Good.
Yeah, there we go. Double whammy.
Double whammy. We got them all now. That makes sense because I was wondering why a few items in game I thought you had changed and they didn't look changed. So. This rotates too far.
The wrong legs, but.
Oh yeah, I know. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm just. It was just easier to see on these legs. One of
right.
the blemishes, the white going through.
Okay.
But yeah, when he walks, it's a little too. I just.
Fuck. Okay, so you want the thighs to have a little overlap as well.
Yeah, I think the thighs with each other should have a little overlap.
Yeah. Okay, that works. Can do.
Yeah, and I'm gonna raise the shins a tiny bit here so that they block your feet.
Yeah.
Other than that, I think we're pretty good now.
Yeah, shins up 1 pixel, I think.
Yeah. So shins 5. check this out. That's better.
Yeah, that was good.
Select these. Ooh,
Fancy pants.
yeah. A little bit of overlap between the pants would just help deal with that.
You don't want to see his crotch every time?
Nah.
Maybe little booty cheeks as well. Holy crap. The smoke is kind of gone.
Outside, I know it's a blue sky today.
Whoa.
It's beautiful.
Guys.
Gotta get some fresh air today.
Yeah, we just go outside later. Ah!
What?
I'm gonna send the Tiger King picture too, because this is pretty good, honestly.
Thanks.
This is.
What is going on here?
Oh. I love it. Can send this one to my friends too. Alright, let's get these pictures in.
Carol Baskin killed her husband. Carol Baskin killed her husband. Now she's on Dancing with the Stars. 2020 has been a fun year.
I betcha.
Can't believe Tiger King was this year. Like, just so much has happened since Tiger King. I'm just like, it wasn't this year.
True.
But it was like early.
It was like February,
it was
yeah.
like, early pandemic shit. It was March.
So much good stuff.
Yeah.
I forgot. Yeah. Yeah.
So much good stuff. Yep. All the best stuff. Just items, spreadsheets. Bam! Let's get this in there. There's Bool. Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. Let's give him give him a pinata reaction. Oh yeah, we have item sheets. Yeah, look at that.
Wow, look at that. Now you can see your items.
Yeah.
Pretty legit.
You can see them.
No, that's not what I said.
I know.
Oh, okay.
So we can sell 'em.
That too. 929. That's a lot of items.
Yeah.
About to add hundreds more.
In the end, we're now on item 1049 with 139 items today. Is that what you have a beer now?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you were just pumping it out earlier.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Get the rest of them to you here in a sec, though.
Oh, it's okay. You do not need to rush.
I gotta do some chopping.
Chopping.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Gotta cut them into leg parts and shit.
Oh yeah, I see.
Oh, we're so close. There's 2 little bugs with it. Oh. No. What?
I want to make it so I can't see the skin through the shoulders. Ooh. Okay, that's better. So this is what used to be, so I'm going to just reverse these. A little too far. How's your stuff going, Jaeger?
I still have 2 bags.
What?
I still have 2 bags.
On the shop?
On the bank.
Ooh.
Search.
Nice.
That feature?
I remember.
Okay.
Just making sure you didn't forget.
Nope. I don't know what I'm doing.
No sacks today, says, do you like that? Nobody answered, but 6 people logged in, so I'm okay with that. Welcome, everybody. Cool. This hat, though, something feels off. I think it's a little too far to the right. What would you call this first hat? Like, is this a beanie? Or I'm gonna call it a beanie until we
Sure.
come up with something different.
Beanie works for me, man.
Like hat, beanie. Alright, so it's gonna be slightly more to the left.
What is going on?
You can't just talk and think I'm gonna listen. What's up?
No.
Okay.
It's all good. I'm not gonna explain it to you.
Okay. Are you alive? Like, are you winning or are you losing?
It's close, but it's no cigars yet.
Okay. I hope you win.
Me too. I would love that.
Mm-hmm.
We're in.
I just have to keep...
Shit.
Just... Yeah. It's okay. There's no winners and losers in life.
No?
Nope. Only people who did and did not win. Nice, that beanie looks a lot more centered now. Okay, something's bugging me here. I gotta deal with this. Just items. So we go show grid. We're gonna set that grid to be a 64 by 64. Oops, it was 32 by 32. Ah. Hey Tyler.
Yep.
Can I see your item spreadsheet again?
Yeah.
Okay, so you have you are on 32 by 32 grid.
Mm-hmm.
If you zoom in on the Tiger King outfits, you'll see
Ooh, it is over.
Yeah. By one, yeah. So they all have a little strip at the end.
Thank you. I'll fix it.
Oh, you're welcome.
My bad.
No worries.
Dang.
They're all over by one though, so you just have to. Oh.
Okay. Yeah, I'll send it over.
Yeah, they all go one, so it's okay. Nice. So, hey, Jagger.
Yeah.
You know how there has been in the past little visual issues in the item sheet where you might see like a thin line around the edges? I'm noticing right now that on this hat, I get it right here. Meaning, even though this isn't over the edge, it's specifically because on this sprite sheet, it's I'm assuming a rounding error, but you can see it's like a little black tick there, right? Like this is what it looks like if you're over by a whole pixel, but this is you're not over by a pixel. So it's not a big deal, but and we don't get it here. Oh, that's right. This is the worn thing. But
Can you go to GIMP? Is there any like scroll in on that area that's right next to it?
like this?
The transparent, yeah.
Yeah, it is. Whew. I think you're onto something. Wait, maybe not.
I think it might have just color picked transparency.
Yeah. Okay.
Just click magic wand. No, click on the transparent. No, press delete. No.
Yeah, just okay. Let's just test that. I remember when we made our own engine for the snowball game, we had that same issue, and
Yeah.
I was like, ugh. Yeah, so we still got it there. It's not a big deal, but one day I want to look into how we snip that out of the sprite sheet and see if there's something. I mean, I'll just take a look.
It's also,
right
I
now.
think, how our rendering is like anti-aliasing causes it.
You think?
one setting we have for the engine, I think.
I think anti-aliasing is off, isn't it? Yeah, it's off.
Can turn it on. Bank of no.
Sorry, my legs are dying in this chair.
My legs.
Oh, I'm just cutting off the old circulation a little, that's all.
I feel that.
You know? It happens.
There's like a way I find you can sit at the edge of the seat, and if I do it for too long, my legs both fall asleep.
I think that's kind of what I was doing that.
It's whack.
My knees just hurt a lot after sitting here for a while.
Yeah.
1 second. So the whole cushion under this is one pillow. I'm just gonna do that. See if that helps.
Probably, I mean, one pillow's probably enough.
Wow, that's like actually a little better.
Actually a little better.
So I should have like 3 pillows, and then this would be amazing.
What if you put like a 2x4 under?
No, the problem is that there's a physical bar I can feel.
Oh, okay.